Hello, this is Melissa Salamone, the Director of Partner Relations with 360 Care. I'm going to share with you another quick tip. This one is how to access your calendar in Outlook and be able to make appointments and set your availability. So again, it's located in Outlook, so you'll double click on this icon to access your email and your calendar. So I'm in my inbox right now. To get to my calendar, I will flip over to this, and you can see that I am currently on a month at a glance view for my calendar. I can scroll down along the side to access different days or the month. Over here to the left, I can forward to March, February, or March. I can also do it over here with the arrows. I'm going to go back to today. I can also do a work week view, a week at a glance, or a day. I like the calendar view a lot of times to see everything at one time. If I want to set some availability, I can simply go into a day. Let's say I want to make Tuesday, February 12th available. I can go to the calendar, click on the 12th, type in available, step out of the calendar, and it will save it automatically. Another way to do it would be to create a new appointment in the upper left corner. Select the date that you want to use, say February 25th on a Monday. I'm going to click all day. I'm going to make myself available. And now I'm available every Monday going forward from the 25th on. I can create a reoccurrence on Monday with no end date. Click OK, save and close, and you will see on February 25th, I've marked myself available, and it has shown up on every single Monday going forward. If I need to modify that, and perhaps on March 11th, I need to not make myself available, I need to have that day off, I can go double click on that appointment, open just this one, and modify that date. Save and close. So you can see all the other Mondays still show available, but just the 11th has been changed. You'll also notice I have an appointment here on the 30th. What happens is your appointments for your visits are going to appear on your calendar from a master calendar. When that happens, it's going to show up. If you double click on it, you can get further details of the visit. Up here you see the template. So the scheduler will put the service. So for example, it might say have the letter P for podiatry or V for vision. The facility name. In parentheses will be the number of patients that are recalled for the visit. And then the number outside the parentheses is usually the final list number. You'll have your facility information, the name of the contact, the telephone number, the address, and some of the various communications back and forth between the branch and the facility. Oftentimes you'll see attachments to these appointments. There could be additional email conversations, an initial list that was sent, a final list, etc. Now, even if you have a final list attached to this appointment, remember your EMR is going to show any last minute changes. And so it's important that you really follow your EMR schedule, even more so than the list that's been provided on your calendar. But at least it gives you a baseline. So again, this is your calendar. Home, you can do the work week, the week at a glance, or the month at a glance. To get back to your email, you simply click on the envelope and it'll take you back to your email. So thank you for joining me today. If you have further questions, please give me a call. I can be reached at 614-361-4697. Have a great day.